Welcome to the third video in our series on the question bank feature in PraxiLabs. In the previous tutorial, we showed you how to create a quiz. In this one, we'll walk you through how to assign questions to your quiz. After creating your quiz, you'll be automatically directed to the Assign Questions page. But if you closed it, or want to add more questions later, here's how to access it again. Start by navigating to the Question Bank tab from the side menu. Then, go to the Quizzes section. On the quiz card, click More, and select Assign Questions from the drop-down menu. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of all available questions, whether created by PraxiLabs or by your organization. You can choose to view just your organization's questions or PraxiLabs questions. Each question appears on a card, showing its code, a preview of the question text, type, difficulty level, and related course. Click See More to view the full question, along with its answer choices and the correct answer. You can also search for questions, or filter them by tags, courses, difficulty levels, or question types to find exactly what you need. To add a question to your quiz, simply click the plus icon next to it. As you add questions, they'll appear on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you can change their order, remove any question, and see a summary of the quiz content. Average difficulty, percentage breakdown by difficulty, and number of questions by type, MCQ, SCQ, or true or false. You can also click Preview to see how your quiz will look to students. Once you're happy with the setup, click Create Quiz to save your changes. And that's it. Your quiz is now ready with assigned questions. In the next tutorial, we'll show you how to assign your quiz to an experiment. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!